ride around if you want.
All right.
Sure.
Why not?
Go ahead.
Okay.
I don't know if they got room to...
Are you going?
Sure. Let's take a ride. All right, go ahead. I got it.
Video taping?
Yeah, why not? All right, let's go for a ride. Big boy.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Like that.
It's got rollers down there that pulls the plant in. And then there's plates that pulls the ear off. And then a elevator takes them in and it thrashes them, and then it's throwing the corn. The shelf corn comes right behind us in that bin.
And is this these plants are all dead?
Yeah.
So it's just kind of it's dried corn that you're getting?
Right.
Yeah.